All right, thanks for joining in our meeting today. We got about 20 days until ISE.
20 days.
Pretty exciting, but let's take a look at our landing page here. We have a couple options to book demos.
Hey, we've got our friends here for the CBC 2500 audio demo. Welcome, everybody. We'll give you a little bit of an idea of what this Parlay CBC 2500 actually sounds like in a real environment.
Yeah, as you can see here, we have it mounted and hanging about 4 feet above our heads.
Includes all the great features from the ABC 2500 that you know and love, including launch, which automatically sets it up for this difficult audio environment, and we still sound great.
In fact, we're here at the Biamp Experience Center at Biamp headquarters, a large open space. And now with the CBC 2500, we can actually host meetings right from this open environment where everybody gets to kind of sit down and meet. Let me give you a little bit of a feel how the microphone can track me. So just like all of our Parlay microphones, it's a beam tracking microphone. So as I move about the space, it's going to lock onto my voice and it's going to track with me as I move. I can move back to the seat here and you can see that I'm clear no matter where I'm at with the CBC 2500. So thanks for joining our demo, but unfortunately, we got to get back to work. This show's coming quick.
Yeah, let's take a look at this landing page again.
I like option 3.
Yeah.